What's going on, guys? Back at it again with another video. I got a new package that came in today. Well, right now it's like 2 in the morning, so yesterday. And it's right here. And yeah, thank God it came in because it said it was gonna be here on June 1st, which is Friday. Well, kind of late, not really, but it was actually pretty quick. It was like 2-day shipping. Right here in this little box. Can you guys guess what it is? Spider. Define your style. I already opened it, so they are my brand new fogs. Super clean, right? Well, it's kind of blurry. Well, kind of because there's a little wrap on it, so it won't scratch. But dude, look, check these out. These are fucking clean. Remember, it's always the little things that make your car stand out. Not always the big things. But hell yeah. If you guys are wondering where I got them, I got it from, obviously, Spider, the brand. But I got them on eBay. But that's the brand, I guess, Spider. They were 80 bucks, so pretty cheap. And it will fucking make it look so much better. Because look at my headlights right now. And look at my fogs. So I'm gonna take off the bumper right now. It's kind of late, but I wanted to do this vlog for you guys because I don't want to be like rushing into things because toyotafest is 2 days from now, and I just want to be ready. So, and I wanted to drive the car on Friday just to see if everything's all right. Maybe an oil change. Shout out to my dad for well, he needs his oils too because the truck has the same oil. And he likes to stock up on things. If you're Vietnamese, you already know Vietnamese people. Their fucking garage is basically a pantry. I mean, dude, or a fucking storage room. It's a fucking garage. I'm opening up, like, I'm taking these out, and there's a fuckload of black broken shit. What the fuck, bro? I might have to tell the seller, this better not be the fog light because something's definitely broken. But I kind of checked. I thought it was this part, but actually, you know what? It might be that part. But yeah. But whatever, they're brand new and they're pretty clean. And hopefully they go on pretty good because I don't know what the fuck just broke off. Honestly, I don't know. Well, we'll find out. Finally got the bumper off. The fucking... This shit doesn't fit well inside this side marker. I don't know why. But if you guys are wondering what my bumper is being held by, it's being held by 2 zip ties on the right side, or the left side. 2 on the left side, or right side, fuck. And then 4 in the middle. Right here, and right there, and right there. Yeah, zip ties. Let's take off your fogs. If you guys never taken them off, there's 2 10mm bolts. You gotta take that off, so yeah, let's take that off first. So took out both the bolts. I just think you gotta shake it out. There you go. And you grab it from the side, just like that. Just 2 10mm bolts. And make sure when you get your fogs, they have these 2 screwing parts, because one of them fell off on this one. So much for a good 80 bucks, huh? It's somewhere here, I don't know where it is. Oh, it's right here. It's in the bag. This is where the screw goes in. So yeah. And that's it. Just Oh wait, just two 10mm bolts. Damn, look at that. Honestly, you could just buff these out, wet sand them, get them good, run them again, but fuck them. I already got extra ones. The old one. Oh god, almost. Oh, rip. And the new one. And then the projector, like the bulb, the actual bulb is like clear, so it's more clean. For the OEM is300 ones are yellow. You could tell by the reflection. So you just put it in from the other side. Ooh, damn, these fit perfect. Going perfect. And you get two of the bolts already. Just reuse them. They weren't fitting as well, so I don't know. I'm gonna just take off this film real quick so I don't have to deal with it later. Damn, but look how brand new those are. Ah, fucking shiny as hell, dude. Oh, it's yellow because of my mop bucket. Pretty tight. Yep. Alright, now for the other side. I want to show you guys the difference from the old fog light and the new one. Hey, look at that flake though. That actually looks pretty cool. So here's the old yellow bulbish. And here's the new. I love it because it will match with my side markers now, and actually the whole car. So yeah. Damn, it's really dusty. Shit. The fitment was actually pretty hard to get in. I don't know why. To line up the holes for the screws. But if anything, you probably could have like sanded it down and made it fit. But it fit good. Just had to shove it in. Just found out after I took out the two screws, there is right here, there's a clip that also holds the fog light. So that's probably why that hopefully it's not, that's not the clip. Because if it is, I'm going to fucking say some shit. Hold on, let me take it out. Update, the clip is still here, so it fits perfect. And this one lines up way better than the other one. I don't know why. Lines up perfect with the holes. That one didn't really. I'm gonna have to look at that one. Went on perfect. Everything's good. The clip is still there. You can see it right there. It's still holding back, so that's perfect. Now the other side I have to check. I didn't really check. So yeah, these are in. It's good. Oh, the clip is here. The clip is in. Then I don't know what the fuck this is. What is this? Probably right here. This shit's kind of bent. Oh wait, this is the bumper. Man, I'm fucking stupid. You come with bulbs. This is the stock one I just took off, and this is the one that it came with. Almost the same, right? It just doesn't have a cover. I don't know if you necessarily need a cover to connect them. Well, I'm gonna wait on that because I don't want to die yet. So put that in. So, damn, those lights are bright. I've never really seen it. So the fog light's plugged in. I'll show you how it's plugged in. It's kind of sketch because it's not actual socket. It's just like a plug, like a 12-volt plug with like three of those bars. But it works. Check it out. Pretty bright. It doesn't really match. The light doesn't really match. You would have to see it in person. It's like almost yellow. But it's actually like clear. It's not like the actual yellow bulb, but it is a projectile. But it looks nice. Looks super good. Now I just gotta plug everything in. Oh, I found out the problem. I found out what the fuck this is. It's the piece to it. That's why I was like, what the fuck? Why is it only 3 plug? But it works. But I'm gonna have to email them like, yo, you sent me a broken bulb with broken shit. But this is the other side. Perfect. I might just run my stock ones, honestly. Because it's kind of sketch, because this thing is really easy to bend. Like the two sides right here. I'm gonna run stock and see. It'll probably just be yellow, so whatever. Because the IS look is yellow anyways on the fogs. Well, it's actually on now. I only had like 4 zip ties, so I need to get more zip ties. Zip tie this one and this one. And one over there and one in the middle. I need a couple more, but look at that. That shit's so clean. It's something little, but dude. They're matching. They're actually matching now. Beautiful. Bang. Gang. Gang. That's kind of... Damn. I think the fog lights are actually... Oh god, what was that noise? I think the fogs are yellow again because I did email them to see if they could send me a spare, but whatever. If they don't, then they don't. But hold on, let me check this out. Oh, you know what? They're not yellow. I'm fucking stupid. It's because the projectile is actually yellow on the stock, the OEM ones, and these are clear. Oh look, see, you can tell right here it's yellow. It's not clear, but dude, these are fucking sweet. Maybe not like the yellow part, but honestly, I don't even run fogs, honestly. I usually have them off because I feel like they attract more attention to the cops at night, but that's just me. And I don't even care for fogs, but honestly, it looks great. That was like one of the main things I wanted before toyotafest, and the headlights, but I got those in, and yeah, dude, look at it. Fuck yeah. Front end is perfect, just like how I want it. toyotafest is in 2 days, so now I just need to get there safe and without anything happening to it, you know? And then oh, I really wanted this fender fixed because I showed you guys the chip right here. I really wanted that fixed, but before Whackfest, I'm going to try to get that fixed because that bothers me so much. But as of right now, she is ready. She's really ready for this for show. Can't wait. I wanted to change up the interior, but I'm gonna leave it as Moon Eyes for now, and all yellow because that's my day one steering wheel, and it will always be my day one. But I'm really fucking digging these fogs and these headlights. Shout out to the homies Gus and Dallas for helping me choose because I was gonna get the black what's it called, covers. I'm also on eBay, same exact price because they're actually OEM from Toyota, but these are eBay ones, and as you can see, they broke. But at least it wasn't the actual headlight or the fog light, because that would have been shitty. I would have hated my life. But I still probably would have ran them. Good thing it was just the bulb cover, because I had the stock bulbs anyways, and they still work. I mean, they work, but yeah. Anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. These new fogs are actually really, really nice, because they go with my entire car. Like, it just look at it. I'm just obsessed right now. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Next video, I'll probably be at toyotafest vlogging for you guys, and yeah, hope to see you guys there. I want to thank you guys all for all the love and support, and we just hit 1,400 subscribers. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for supporting the Iceyyyboyz. I really do appreciate it. And that'll be it for the video, so don't forget to subscribe, guys. Later, I'm out.